Hi there. Today, we bring you a review of the best brushless cordless grass string trimmer of 2023. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. TOVIA GST01 Brushless Cordless String Trimmer. Large cutting diameter. The trimmer with 10-inch cutting diameter can help you clean the grass beside the flower bed easily and quickly. Trimmer and edger. The 2-in-1 power tool can easily convert from trimmer to edger in seconds. Brushless motor. 450W brushless power motor delivers 9,000 RPM for highly efficient trimming performance. Double the safety. TOVIA GST01 string trimmer features a switch with safety lock. It locks switch to make sure no accidentally turning on. It also locks switch and work to free hand from pushing trigger for long time working. Cordless. This battery-operated edge trimmer delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime when using a TOVIA 21 V2.0 battery. It is also compatible with Makita 18VLX lithium-ion battery. 2.0 batteries and a fast charger are included. Cordless design. Battery-powered trimmer has several advantages over gas-powered and corded trimmers. It has zero emissions and reduced maintenance with no need for gas or oil or cords. For users, the tool is always ready to use. Simply load a TOVIA lithium-ion battery and get to work. Easy to storage and use. TOVIA GST01 string trimmer is a simple but effective tool for indoor lawn care. Its mine length is 108 m only. Weight is 4.2 lbs only. It can be hanged on the wall easily and took to your lawn by one hand. Handle design. The trimmer contains with safety lock and switch trigger on the handle. It's safe and convenient for user to control. Telescoping shaft. Press the button. You can adjust the length of the telescoping shaft between 37.4 to 49.2 inch at will. Maximum control. Lightweight design with adjustable front handle, telescoping shaft, and 4-position pivoting head. This grass whacker adjusts to any user, any lawn. The head tilts a full 90 degrees so you can trim in tight, awkward spaces or so you can edge in uneven terrain. Gardening made creative. TOVIA GST01 string trimmer is designed for attachments. Easy to change strings. Change string to nylons blades, metal blades, even circular blades. Turn it into a walk-through trimmer by adding a pair of wheels. TOVIA GST01 string trimmer uses a 200 geared motor with 28,000 RPM no load speed, delivers 7,800 RPM for faster and more powerful cutting grass diameter up to 10 m. Therefore, once it is wrapped by plastic bags or something, it stops work immediately to reduce risk. What you get includes one cordless weed eater, 2.0 batteries and one charger, one bump and feed spool, 2-year limited warranty, and superior customer service. You can subscribe this channel to get more such informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.